Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some handmade craft papers, and for that you'll need some scissors, some old newspapers or papers from any notebook that you don't use anymore. So the first step is to cut the paper into small bits, and if you don't have scissors you can just tear them up. So the next step is to fill the container with some water and make sure all the paper bits are completely soaked. The paper I use is not very thick, so I soak them for about 3 hours, but if you use any thick paper like the ones from magazines or anything, then you'll have to soak them for about 5 hours. Here I've used a mixer to blend the paper into a smooth paste, and make sure to add some water when you're blending the paper. Once you've attained this consistency, you can go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of this pulp into a smaller container and add some paint to it. And here I'm adding some blue watercolor. You can either use watercolors or poster colors because these work the best, and try to avoid using acrylics, and also add some water when you're mixing in the color so that the color mixes well. Now you have to take 3 tablespoons and put it into a big container filled with water halfway through. The more pulp you add, the more thicker your paper will turn out. So it's completely up to you on how much pulp you want to add. Now mix it well, and here I'm using a strainer for this step, and make sure your strainer is smaller than the container, and wait for a few minutes to drain the water and then place it down. Here I'm using a piece of cloth to soak up the excess water that's on the paper. So you can repeat this step 2 or 3 times to completely soak up the excess water. Now you turn the strainer upside down and start tapping it. So once you start tapping it, the paper will slowly start to come out of the strainer. Now that the paper is out of the strainer, you need to place it on top of a cloth and cover it up with the cloth. And here I'm using a roller to roll over the paper to get rid of any excess water. Now I'm going to show you how to make different types of paper. So here I'm adding some glitter and continuing to do the same process. Here I'm using a net fabric, and I'm cutting them into smaller pieces so that I can add them into the paper pulp. Here I'm adding some rose petals to the water, but you can add any flowers as you wish. In case your paper crumbles up like this, you don't have to worry because you can easily just lift it up and put it back together. You need to let the papers dry completely for 24 hours, and this is how it looks once it's fully dried up. I really hope this tutorial helped you out, and if it did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. And let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make a tutorial for any other art and craft, and I'd be sure to do that for you. And thanks for watching.